Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host of Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a makeup review testing tutorial video, another one of these, and I will show you the product in 2 minutes, so waity. But before we get into the actual video, I just want to say the nitty-gritty stuff, which is, if you like the video, the product, the content I'm showing you, the advice I'm giving you, then definitely give it a massive thumbs up. All you got to do is click the thumb up, and that'd be absolutely great, and then I know that you like these and I can bring more to you, so definitely give that thumbs up. If you would like to subscribe, which is absolutely free, all you have to do is sign up to YouTube. You don't really need an account, and then basically just click subscribe on my main page to subscribe to tazwells12, which is also included in the love family, and you can see my YouTube journey as we go along, and there's loads more to do. So like I said, it's absolutely free. You can absolutely join all the other subscribers. All the other subscribers that have joined, I'm absolutely so happy that you have. I am trying to bring you so many videos. There is loads more to come. If you want to comment down below about the product or have a little conversation, definitely comment down below and I will 100% comment back to you. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands that I do mention. It is all out of my own money, and it's just an advice video to you guys. So I love makeup, so I love showing you these things, and I like trying them out for the first time with you guys because they do shock me, some of these things. The last thing is, if you could check my other social medias out, which is on my main page as a clickable button. There is 1 for Twitter and 2 for Instagram. And Instagram, there is my tazwells12 normal account and my tazwells12 home account, which is pretty new. That is everything. So now we will get into the makeup testing tutorial review video. The product that we're going to review, test and tutorial with is this little product. This was an absolutely steal. So this actually came out of POUNDLAND. POUNDLAND, again, absolutely crazy. As you can see, it is a brow pomade. So this is in EYLURE. So EYLURE does makeup products that I sort of did realise but sort of didn't. They're not like proper like advertised, if that makes sense. I've seen their lash tint and their brow tint, and they obviously do eyelashes. This is waterproof brow pomade number 30 blonde, and there is 6 grams in here. So this is for full thick brows, long lasting, smudge resistant. Couldn't believe I found this in there. And there's a little tip on the back. For a perfect finish, use the brow pomade with the EYLURE brush and wand brow duo. Replace cap tightly after use. I genuinely could not believe when I saw this. So this was the last one I got, but I actually like blonde. Yes, I am a brunette, but I actually like the blonde colour because there is actually the brow sort of like tint liquid that I actually get out of POUNDLAND. That is his own brand, and that's a blonde one. I didn't like the brown. The brown was too thick for my eyebrows. When I saw this, I was absolutely amazed. It's just in this little carton, which is really sweet, and then you open up, it is in this lovely jar, glass jar with this lovely like blue lid on it, and it just says the colour and what it is. So we'll open this up, and I have not touched this. This is absolutely brand new. I had a little sneaky peek at it, but I think that'd go really well. Like, I don't like it too dark, so that's really nice for me. I actually have got my trusty little eyebrow brush, which is from Spectrum. Love this little brush, absolutely great. I think I've got a Barry M1 as well, just if I want to, but yeah, the only other ones I've got that I think are really good are these ones. Have a spoolie on one end, and then they have a little brow brush at this end. This is obviously just called Brow Brush. Very, very pretty colour, and this just comes out of Primark. and I think this is only literally £1. It's like really good, like just to like spoolie your brows up. I might use this as well just to put them up, like brow them up. Yeah, this is really nice, really good brow brush. I bought 2 of them. I used one from my brow tint that you've probably seen in one of my videos, where I use actually moustache and brow beard dye, which is crazy, and it works absolutely fair. I need to do them at the moment, so it's probably a perfect time to do this video because I haven't got no product on there. That's my natural brow with my natural colour, so at the moment this is going to go really well. I actually have got some foundation, concealer and powder on at the moment. Normally if I'm doing my brows with a pomade or a sort of like waxy consistent colour, I would normally just do it when I've just got my foundation on, and then before I've put my powder on. But we're going to go with a bit of difference. I haven't put like major load of powder on, I've just put a little bit on, so it should be absolutely fine. That's enough rambling and going on of what I'm trying to explain. Let's get into this little product. So I would just clip my hair up and I will be back in 2 minutes. Open this up and we would just dip this brow brush in and we'll see how creamy. Oh, it is really creamy, which is lovely. Like that's just gone straight away. I did wet the brush a little bit, so kind of don't know if it's kind of that as well. I don't put a lot of product on, you probably can't even see that. It's the tiniest bit of product. I am going to move this here and then I'm going to go with my bestest eyebrow. Normally I would just use this on the, like, define the outline of it, but what I'm going to do is use it on both brows, basically on the whole brow. And we just start, and all I do is just like very, like, oh, you can see the payout straight away. This is why I say I don't really like need a physical brown for my eyes. I have got a darker one, but it literally, it's gone a bit hard, maybe a little bit. So basically I just define it and just keep rubbing it in, being very careful and just sort of giving that like big define. So you can definitely tell a real big difference with just that little bit of product. It's probably better that I actually wet my brush, so I've learned something as well. And I didn't really wet it, I just done it on a makeup wipe and cleaned it. So I just take a little bit more. But this probably helps because this product hasn't physically like been used, if that makes sense. So this is kind of getting its first try as well, which is really nice. Creamy, lovely. I'm glad I picked this up. Yeah, so I just tilt my head and just follow the line of my brow. So I kind of give it a definition. But yeah, you don't need to use like too like much on this, which is lovely. Kind of just nearly done a brow already, so that's really good. So you can see that it's like proper defined it. Probably made this a bit too triangly, as you can see, but very nice product still. A little bit under here. I'm actually considering putting this into my makeup bag because I actually do like it quite a lot. It's actually quite nice. It's made my brow really defined, which is quite nice. I like it. That's the first one, and that was the tiniest bit of product. You can probably see where I've put a few stroke marks in it, but that is literally the tiniest bit. It's made a massive difference. And we're going to do this side. So as before, from here, just taking really light strokes. I was never into doing my brows until I actually like saw people do them and I thought, wow, like, why does their brows look so damn good? Like, I've got, like, my brows are not too bad. And, but like, when you can get a nice defined brow, it kind of makes your face, if that makes sense. Like, you can either have too much as well, and that's why I kind of go like very light on this sort of powder, but you can obviously see the difference straight away. I've been like, why is everyone's brows like really nicely defined, and like what is like going on there? Like, there must be like some sort of trick, and it's not. It's actually sometimes brow gel or brow powder or brow pomade that people have used to define their brow, like natural brow. And I just wanted to get in that game so much. Like, it was unreal. That is looking, this may be one maybe a little bit, but my hairs on this one sit a lot better than this one, but I have tried to make them as like even as possible and still very nice. I'm just gonna grab another little product I'm gonna maybe put with this that I normally would do. So these are my brows. We just literally the product on there. I think the colour really matches. Loving the colour, absolutely. And you doesn't really look a lot different to my natural hair colour, which makes a massive difference. But what I would normally, like I said to you, I'd normally do this like on the outline, and then I would normally go in with like a brow powder. And funny enough, this is an EYLURE product as well. I've absolutely had this one for ages. I think I got this out of TK Maxx. So this is an EYLURE Fleur de Force one, and then you've got like this sort of natural powder, and then you've got two like different shades of powder. You can see that I use the actual lightest one the most, and the darkest one not. Like very like oddly, I've been using like maybe one for my inner bit of brow and then the darker one for my outer bit of brow, but I want to use like shade here. It says it's a highlighter, but it's definitely not. And then I'm going to use another Spectrum brush, this just like flat brush. So I'm just going to go into this natural powder, and what I normally do is just go on these front bits and just like blend them in like frontwards. This is why I would normally do my powder like afterwards, if that makes sense. So I just go in with this powder and then just sort of at the front just sort of go over it a little bit like this, because I don't want it like massively defined. And then what I do is like go underneath, and then like what I said I'll put it a bit, maybe a bit like cornery on the top here. I just use this brush and then sort of define it that way. So you can see that I've literally got the same shape, but I've kind of shaped like round a little bit more so it's not so sticky out. And then underneath, so I'm going to do that to the other one. So just on the like front, like just give it a little rub on the top, little rub on the bottom, and then just sort of go like that, just on the front bit. So you can see where it looks like a natural brow now. And just define here, and define the top and down the side. See, like now I've got dark brows, but they don't look like naturally like sticky out at you, slug eyebrows. Beautiful, beautiful products. I am just going to take my hair down and then we will tell my rating of this product and what I absolutely think. Hair is down now, and look, just can you see why I picked a blonde? And I was really happy that I found the blonde, because Look, that literally blends in with my hair colour. If I had that too dark, it would look super dark and super pull out. But now my eyebrows literally look so defined and so shaped. I'm loving it. This product, what do you think I'm going to say to it, is a rating of thumbs up, and it's a 10 out of 10. I am definitely going to put this in my makeup bag. I am definitely going to keep it in this little box because I think it's like really cute and it keeps it safe. Love that. That was amazing find. Literally for £1, you could not go wrong. Like, this product is like my makeup bag worthy. I thought it was, and I can't wait to try it with you guys, and I absolutely love it. I think it's great. You may think that on these videos I literally am putting my thumb up for everything, but I buy items that I genuinely think that I would like, but then when I try them, I'm like, yes, they're actually even better than what I actually thought. So this is, I am actually going to take my Revolution one out and probably put this one in because I like this one better. I know that this is probably going to be more expensive, like if you wanted to find anywhere else, but please try your Poundlands because you can find gems like this. You might not find exactly the same gems, but just think what you have in your makeup bag and then think what you actually would use all the time or what you would like to find, and then sometimes you do absolutely find it. So that was amazing. The Revolution one is going to come out of my bag because it's too dark for me, but I will keep it because I like I said, I like to change things up. But the rating for this is a thumbs up. Unfortunately, this has come to the end of the makeup review testing tutorial video. I hope that you liked the video. If you had, and you liked the product, you liked what advice I give you, you liked how I showed you how to put it on for the tutorial, then please give it a massive thumbs up because it absolutely helps me out, and then I will bring more of these videos to you because I love makeup and I love doing these. But like I said, if you are new, then you can absolutely subscribe for free by hitting the subscribe button and joining the tazwells12 family and joining that too. This video is not sponsored by Poundland or EYLURE. It's out of my own money that I bought this product, and it is not sponsored. Check out my other social medias too, please. Follow, like, comment, whatever you would like to do, that'd be great, thank you. And comment down below. So you may have this product already, you might think it's absolutely fantastic, you might not like it as well, so tell me down below if you have found this out of your Poundland too and what bargains you have found. So comment down below. And this is the end of the video, and I hope that you liked it. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting. Have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.